We are in the last quarter of 2022 and this is the most exciting time for businesses because fourth quarter is going to be the most profitable time of the year if you know how to spot the opportunities. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. All businesses wish to finish the year strong and this applies to us as well. With this goal in mind, we can start planning for our job servicing business and use the year-end events to our advantage. So in today's video, I will be sharing one of the best drop servicing niche for the fourth quarter of 2022. The best drop servicing niche that you can sell this Q4 is creatives designed for businesses. Creatives are any type of promotional tools or digital advertisement such as a banner or a video that is used by the advertiser to get sales. In simple terms, creatives is the artwork, design and concept that goes into an advertisement on social media or website. The creatives can take various formats from a static image to animations and video. This niche can be found under the category of graphics and design for static image and video and animation for video ads. With the upcoming year-end sales events and holidays in the last quarter of 2022, we can expect many businesses aiming to double up their promotional campaigns to maximize their sales. This is a great opportunity for us, job services, to promote creatives designs. You can promote this service to online sellers, home-based business like manicure, pedicure services, home baker, hairdresser, facial and beauty, e-commerce owners, small business owners, and many more. Now let me show you how to find freelancers on Fiverr to help you with this service. You can search for terms like design creative Facebook ads and you'll be able to find many freelancers providing this service. This is mainly for static image. If your client wants a video ad, then you may search for design creative video ads. Another way is to go to video and animation tab, then click on short video ads. Here is a list of upcoming sales events and holidays that you need to take note of so that you can advise your potential clients to launch their marketing campaigns in a timely manner. In September, we have the 9/9 sale which falls on the 9th of September. In October, we have 2 events and 2 holidays which are the Children's Day, the 10/10 sale, the Deepavali as well as Halloween. In November, we have 3 events which are the Singles Day, Black Friday, as well as Cyber Monday. And lastly, we have December. December is a very hectic month which you have the 12/12 sale, Christmas Day, Boxing Day as well as New Year's Eve. Here's a pro tip for you. If you want to approach a potential client for this service, go study the business last year's Q4 campaigns and pitch to them how you can help them do better. Doing a research before pitching your service is very crucial. I hope you'll be able to seize this opportunity and close more deals before the end of 2022. Discover more job servicing marketing strategies in my other videos over here, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye!